If you're someone who struggles to get in and out of bed at night, this is going to change that. This was sent to me, and as a caregiver and someone who has seen a lot of mobility products, I was really excited to try this one. Getting in and out of bed in the middle of the night is one of those things that sounds simple until it isn't anymore. Low light, no support, nothing to hold on to. That's exactly when falls happen. And for a lot of families, including mine, it's a real concern. Assembly is straightforward. Clear instructions, all pieces labeled. Just a Phillips screwdriver and a wrench. Takes about 30 to 45 minutes solo, and the pro tip is don't fully tighten anything until the whole frame is together, then lock it all down at the end. It has 6 height settings adjustable from 2.5 to 7.5 inches, so you dial it in your exact bed height. Once you set it, it stays. Then you secure it to your bed frame with the adjustable Velcro straps so it never shifts on you. And this is my favorite part. The motion sensor light activates the second you approach, completely automatic, no fumbling for a switch in the dark. It lights up to 121 square feet so you can see the step and the floor. It runs on 4 AAA batteries, lasts about 4 to 5 weeks, and when it's time to swap them out, you just pop the magnetic strip off and replace it in seconds. And when you actually use it, this is where it delivers. The dual padded grip bars give you something solid to hold on to, going both up and down. The wide base gives you real room to plant your foot, no teetering, no wobbling. And it is sturdy. The steel construction is rated to 400 pounds and has been independently tested up to 1,200 pounds. So whatever your concern is about weight capacity, this handles it. It's one of those products that just gives you peace of mind, whether it's for yourself, a parent, or anyone who needs a little more support at night. Overall, I would totally recommend the Step2Bed Deluxe Bed Rails, especially if nighttime support and mobility is something you think about for yourself or someone you care for. This is definitely worth it.